How to fix registry editor not working on Windows 11. 1. Run sfc and dism scan as admin. Commands include sfc/scano dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health 2. Run the following commands as admin. Take on/fc/windows/regedit.exe /windows/regedit.exe/grad% username %fc:\windows now, rename the regedit.exe file and restart your computer. Run System Maintenance Troubleshooter. 4. Choose the disabled or not configured option in the Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tools policy at User Configuration /Administrative Templates /System. 5. Perform system restore.